Hello, I'm Master Huang. About this numerical control lathe. Some people, this U-drill may be used many times. But this U-drill is looking for this center. How to find the center, 0 of x. Maybe some people, maybe not really. Today, let me tell you the easiest way. Okay, here we go. We are now positioning this product. Here is now the 0 point of the product. Now the 0 point of our product, set the table first. We cut this outer diameter car. The car measures its outer diameter with one knife. Our current product is 49.55. Current product 49.55. Let's drill this shoe first. Turn around. We'll start with this tip. Touch this face with this tip. Attention, at this time, the spindle of the lathe should be reversed to turn like this, otherwise this knife will rot. Turn it around. Okay, we hit this end face, just mat this face. Move out in the Z direction. Spindle stopped. We see this on the screen here. Here are the relative coordinates. Relative coordinates, x, 0 points, x. Press this directly. Press confirm key X. Confirm button to clear here. We are now 49.55. Add this. We are now, U diamond is 25. 49.55加25, that's how much? It's 70 o'clock. We can also do the math here. You can find any knife position. If not, you can make a computer out of this. It is also very convenient. 49.55, enter, and add 25. This 74.55, we go from here. 74.55, we're going down in the X direction. Let's see how much 74.55 is here. Circular Z direction. Move. Spindle forward rotation. We put the U-drill at this time. Shake it in. Put the knife in. When preparing a knife, because no water is added, so let's not go too fast. Straight lathes like this. He is very rigid, you bite faster like this, he's fine. If it is average, a slightly less rigid lathe, maybe go in like this. This spindle is a bit unbearable. Okay, now let's push the knife out. Spindle stops, let's measure the hole again. See what the inner hole is. So let's take a look. It is now exactly 25.1251. Here we see 25.1. 25.1. It proves that we turn right. Medium speed is right. That's fine. Just say that he is a U-drill when he is average. He will be a few silk. This is normal, right? This is the quick way to drill you. And that's it for today. You can pay attention to Dawson numerical control. I will often share with you in the future. Programming and processing skills. In the next episode, let me introduce you how to get there. Remove this incisor and tail. This cape, including this incisor and tail. This cape, that's all for today, okay? Thank you.